Okay, so exercise 4.3, question number 13. How many different selection of 5 books can be made from 12 different books? If two particular books are always selected, two particular books are never selected. So I want to select 5 books that can be made from 12 different books. What are the conditions? So, or some particular two books are always selected, particular two books are never selected. So first I just take two particular books are always selected. Two particular books are always selected. So two particular books are always selected means we already chosen the two particular books. What other books we have to choose? Only remaining three books only. Correct. So therefore three books only we have to select three books. But why I put 10C3 instead of 12C3? Because already the two books are selected. So we have a totally 12 different books. Already two books we have select பண்ணிட்டோம்னா what are the remaining books? Just 10 books only we have. In the 10 books we have to select the three books. Okay, so totally 12 different books are there, we have to select 5 books. Okay, we have to select 5 books. What is the condition? Two particular books are always selected, so we chosen already two books, so two books already selected, which means 12 minus 2, so 10 books only remaining. In the 10 book we need to select 3 books. Okay, so 10C3 ways, totally 10C3 ways. So 10C3, how can I write 10C3? 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 15 8s are, yeah, 120 ways. So totally 120 ways. So here look at that, two particular books are all not selected. So never selected. Okay, so never selected, which means since two books are never selected, be the selection of 5 books from 10 books are done in, yeah, so it is clearly that in C5 ways. It is clearly that. Okay, so we have a total amount of books is 12 books we have, correct? So அதில் two particular books never selected, அப்போ அந்த ரெண்டு புக்கை மட்டும் எடுத்து ஓரமாக வச்சுட்டா what are the remaining books? 10 books. So in the 10 books we need to select 5 books. In the 10 books we need to select 5 books. So 10C5. So 10C5. 10C5. So 10C5 is, but the here there is a one formula, like we already seen there. So total number of factorial divided by separate factorial. So like that only I am doing like this. So after cancelling all the terms you will get the answer 252. Okay, there are 5 teachers and 20 students. Out of them, a committee, 2 teachers and 3 students is to be formed. Find the number of ways in which can be done. Yeah. So there are how many teachers? 5 teachers are there, 20 students are there. So we want to form the one committee. So that committee needs 2 teachers, 3 students only. 2 teachers out of 5, 3 students out of 20. Correct? Yeah, okay. Find the number of ways which it can be done. For the condition, a particular teacher is included. So there are 5 teachers. Okay. So in that 5 teachers, that one teacher must be included. The one teacher must be included. Okay, the one teacher must be included. அப்போ ஆல்ரெடி அந்த 5 டீச்சர்லேருந்து ஒரு டீச்சர் நம்ம செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா how many teachers are there? 4 teachers. In that 4 teachers, how many teachers we need to include? Just only one teacher. Correct, because already one teacher வந்து included. So therefore, as the same thing, how many students we want to? 3 students out of 20. Correct. So 20C3 into 5C2. So 20C3 into 5C2. So 20C3 for students, 5C2 for teachers. So 20 into 19 into 8 into 3 into 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. So if you get cancel, you will get the answer. correct, but that is not our aim. What is the question? So already one teacher வந்து selected, correct. So I want remaining totally 5 teachers. So in the 5 teachers, what is the condition? One teacher must be included. So already one teacher வந்து selected ஆயிட்டாங்க. So remaining teachers are 4 teachers. In that 4 teachers we need to select only one teacher. Therefore 4C1. So 4C1, there are no condition for students. There are no condition for students. So 20C3 only comes here. So 4C1 into 20C3. 4C1, 4 divided by 1 into 20 into that term. If you get cancel, you will get the answer. Okay, and then a particular teacher, a particular student is excluded. Okay, a particular student is excluded. Yeah, there is a condition for student also. A particular student is excluded, which means what? So teachers can be selected in how many ways? There are 5 teachers. So first condition over. So forget the first condition. This is the second condition. So 5 teachers are there. We need to select 2 teachers. How many ways? Yeah, 5C2 ways. So 5 teachers இருக்கிறாங்க, 2 teachers select பண்ணணும். So 5C2 ways. And then there are 20 students are there. How many students we need to select? How many students we need to select? 3 students. But a particular student is excluded. Excluded means அந்த பையனை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, ஒரு பர்டிகுலர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டை மட்டும். ஸோ தேர் ஆர் 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இந்த 20 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஒரு பையனோ இல்லை ஒரு பொண்ணையோ ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ பேலன்ஸ் how many students are there? Just 19 students. In that 19 students, how many students we need? 3 students. So therefore 10C3 ways. So 10C3 ways into 5C2 ways. After getting 9 into 18, 19 into 18 into 17 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. If you get cancel, you will get the answer. Okay, in an examination, a student has to answer 5 questions. Okay, so one exam, each student has to answer 5 questions. Out of 9 questions, in which 2 are compulsory. Okay, simple one. So there are 9 questions. We need to write 5 questions. So in that 5 questions, 2 are compulsory. 2 are compulsory. In how many ways a student can answer the questions? Okay, suppose imagine one question paper having a 9 questions. Okay, so the first 2 questions are compulsory nachkonga. First 2 questions are compulsory. Okay, so you have to answer that 2 questions compulsory. So in the 9 questions, that 2 questions compulsory means what are the remaining questions? 7 questions are remaining. 7 questions are remaining. So in that 7 questions, how many questions we have to write? 3 questions only, because 2 compulsory already we written, correct. So balance the 7 questions, we have to write the 3 questions. So 7C3 ways. 7C3 ways. Yeah, simple one. So in a pack of 52 cards, determine the number of 5 card combination out of deck 52. If there is exactly 3 aces in each combination. Okay, determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards. So one deck having a 52 cards. Okay, so how many aces are there? A card. How many aces there? 4 aces. So aces for diamond, aces for hearting, aces for spade, aces for clever. Okay, what is the condition? There is exactly 3 aces in each combination. So if you take combination, how much combination we want? 5 card combination. So we want 5 card combination, but condition is there is exactly 3 aces in each combination. Over combination layum 3 aces must. So 3 aces will be selected. 3 aces will be selected, correct. So what are the remaining cards? So 4 cards and the remaining So in that we only have here 4 aces, correct? We have here only 4 aces. In that 4 aces, we have selected 3 aces. We have selected 3 aces. Okay, listen. So we have here totally 52 cards. Okay, wow. So in the deck we have here 52 cards. In that 52 cards, 4 aces இருக்கும், and then remaining 48 cards, normal cards. Okay, 4 aces. So I want the 5 combination. So 5 combination எனக்கு தேவை. Okay, we need 5 combination. So what is the condition? 3 aces கண்டிப்பாக அந்த காம்பினேஷனில் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ out we have a 4 aces card. So in that 4 aces card we have 3 aces card must be in that combination. So 3 aces card we have already selected. So that 48 cards, the remaining 48 cards, how many cards we need to select for the 5 combination? 2 cards only. Correct? 2 cards. So 3 plus 2, 5 cards totally. That's it. That is a given question. So number of ways selecting 3 aces. Number of ways selecting 3 aces, how many ways? Yeah, so totally 4 aces are there. See how many aces we want to select? 3 aces. So 4C3 multiply. So 3 cards நம்ம choose பண்ணிட்டோம். How many cards we have to remaining to choose? 2 cards only. Out of how many cards? 48 cards. So 48 cards, C2. That's it. So after simplify, you will get the answer.